Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today we are mastering making a Thai curry from scratch. You are a beginner or looking to make a perfect Thai curry. I have 5 simple tips that would help you build a rich flavor for your Thai curry at home. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, refresh your curry paste. This step releases the deep aroma flavors and make your curry stand out. Blending all ingredients well. This will add more color and more friendly to use. Beginners, use medium heat. Always saute your curry paste first for a few minutes. Step number 2, choose cream or rich coconut milk. Add broth or water if you need it to thin it out or use only half. This gives you control over how thick you want your curry and how soupy you want over rice or noodle. If you see oil flowing on top, it's a good sign for a good curry. Tip number 3, layer the flavors. Add your choice of protein. If tofu or seafood need to be added after vegetables. This would take about 10-15 minutes for the meat to cook and the flavor to blend. To help balance the spicy, add some palm sugar. Taste as you go and add fish salt if you need it. Give it a stir occasionally. Tip number 4, add and simmer. Don't rush and let everything cook together. Tip number 5, it's all about balancing sweet, salty, spicy, and sour flavors. Taste, tweak, and make it your own. A splash of lime juice at the end to brighten everything up. Serve over the rice or noodle with a slice of cucumbers. That's it! 5 simple steps to mastering your Thai curry at home. And I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. Let me know in the comment below what is your favorite curry, and I'll see you in the next video.